Alexa, pack my bags.
I can help you pack for your holiday. A travel beach towel will help dry off quickly. It's best to cover all bases with the weather. Do you have your sunglasses? Nice, they look great on you by the way. Keep the bugs away. Life's a beach. Have you got enough swimwear? Don't forget to protect your lips from the sun. If you're going to the beach or on a boat, waterproof bags for tech will come in handy. Have you got noise-cancelling headphones? Think about your sun protection while swimming. Say no to plastic bags. Don't let plastic cutlery catch you out. Shampoo and soap bars win over plastic toiletries any day. Do you have some? Traveling gets messy sometimes. Have you packed a portable charger? Sweet, you can keep me charged too. You're taking me with you, right?